Trinidad and Tobago, a captivating twin-island nation in the Caribbean, offers a rich tapestry of cultural diversity, natural beauty, and vibrant festivities that entice travelers to experience its unique charm. With its lively festivals, lush landscapes, and warm hospitality, this destination caters to a wide range of interests and adventures. Carnival, a world-famous event, is the pinnacle of Trinidad and Tobago's cultural calendar. This annual celebration, held before Lent, features colorful costumes, energetic music, and exuberant parades that showcase the nation's rich mix of African, Indian, European, and indigenous influences. The vibrant atmosphere and rhythmic revelry of Carnival make it a must-experience event for travelers seeking a vibrant immersion into local culture. Maracas Bay, a picturesque beach on Trinidad, offers golden sands and turquoise waters that invite visitors to relax, swim, and enjoy local delicacies like the bake and shark sandwich. The drive to Maracas Bay along the scenic North Coast Road is an attraction in itself, offering panoramic views of the coastline and lush hills. The Asa Wright Nature Center on Trinidad is a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. The center's lush rainforest setting provides opportunities to spot a wide variety of bird species, including the elusive oilbird. Guided tours and educational programs allow visitors to engage with the local flora and fauna. Tobago, with its serene ambience, offers idyllic beaches, clear waters, and a laid-back atmosphere. Pigeon Point Beach is a postcard-perfect stretch of sand with shallow waters ideal for swimming and snorkeling. The Nylon Pool, a natural pool in the sea, is a unique spot where visitors can stand in waist-deep waters and enjoy the underwater world. The Baku Reef and Nylon Pool offer snorkeling and glass-bottom boat tours to explore the vibrant coral reefs and encounter marine life like colorful fish and gentle rays. For history and architecture enthusiasts, the Magnificent Seven in Port of Spain, a row of historic mansions, offers a glimpse into the city's colonial past. Fort George, a historic military fort, provides panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. Trinidad and Tobago's culinary scene reflects its diverse cultural heritage. Visitors can savor traditional dishes like roti, doubles, and curry crab and dumplings that showcase the fusion of flavors from different traditions. Trinidad and Tobago's local music, including calypso, soca, and steel pan, resonates with the country's lively spirit. The annual panorama competition and the steel pan performances during Carnival are highlights for music enthusiasts. In essence, Trinidad and Tobago offer a vibrant fusion of culture, nature, and celebration. Whether it's joining the Carnival festivities, exploring lush rainforests, relaxing on pristine beaches, or immersing in local traditions, this destination invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of Caribbean vibrancy and warmth.